So I want to order some food from the barbecue here, which means that I have to take the table number over and actually just let them know this is the kind of meat I want or fish, and then they will deliver it to my table when it's actually cooked. So let's wander over and request some fish or find out what's available. Hey guys, so I'm here with Countryside Tour. Basically booking a tour for tomorrow. We're going to the Chocolate Hills. If you've been following me on my website, you'll know that I've already visited the Chocolate Hills, and so I'm doing it again. So Ollie's doing it for the first time, and I'm like, yes, I'm coming with you. So this is what we're doing. It's basically, we're paying about 400 pesos each, and we're going to Panglao Church, we're going to a butterfly farm, we're going to the Bok River Cruise.
We're going to get trapped on the zip line.
Zip line? You can... Oh goodness.
Yeah, also the ATV. It's also nice. ATV if you like.
The Chocolate Hills, of course, man-made forest. One of my favourite things is the bamboo hanging bridge. I bought a really nice t-shirt here last time. The Bok River, this is the cruise with the yummy dinner. Excited to do that. Can't wait. Right now I am starving and we need to go find some dinner. But the plan is that we're figuring out what we're doing tomorrow. 9 AM pickup through to 5 PM this tour. Load of restaurants here and places where you can have a drink, a cocktail, lots of options for food, and plenty of tourists, quite a few Koreans here.
Yeah, it's good. We've got Thai, we've got Filipino. Noodles.
I want
Chop suey. It's
some.
got everything.
Okay, so you like it?
Yeah.
Let's do it. I'm just so excited to find fresh juice shakes here. Can't wait to have, I need to have a mango juice. I'm gonna order some barbecue meat and veggies. Really craving some veggies right now. Any ideas, Ollie?
I kind of want to get Thai curry, but I'm also, I'd love to have one of the noodle dishes as a side. Do you want to share the noodles or something?
Maybe. I definitely want some veggies.
I'm looking at one of these. Like sauteed mixed noodles with meat and vegetables. Yeah.
Pancit Canton, it has a...
Is it this one, by the way?
It has a seafood and pork. It's okay?
Which one's this?
This one. We want this one.
Yes, this one. But it has a pork and seafood.
Shellfish? What kind of seafood?
Seafood,
Is it
shrimp, squid, and crab meat and pork. It makes same price also.
I love all of that, but the thing is it...
I don't eat seafood like that.
Yeah. Tomato, onion, cucumber salad. Also, barbecue. Is this per piece?
Yes, madam.
What is the fish?
White snapper, red snapper, grouper. But you are the one to order from there.
I need to go there?
Yes, just their table number.
Okay, so I need to go and they tell me the price and they tell me what they have?
Yes, yes. fried vegetable, 1 Singapore sling, and 1 gin tonic. Our chicken and green curry sauce is not included rice.
That's interesting.
It's okay.
So I want to order some food from the barbecue here, which means that I have to take the table number over and actually just let them know this is the kind of meat I want or fish, and then they will deliver it to my table when it's actually cooked. So let's wander over and request some fish or find out what's available. So what you do is you select the meat or fish that you want. Excited to try. Yeah, I'll try.
Pay boy.
Fish master?
Yeah, fish master. This one, fish master. Yeah.
Hello, sir. This is lobster, right? This lobster?
No, all fish.
Oh, all fish. All that food looks so good. So good. I feel like I want to come back tomorrow and share a fish meal with Ollie. I know he really wanted to do a curry today, but maybe I can convince him to come back to Isis Thai restaurant. So good. And we're sitting here on the beach, like literally, we've got the waves behind us. Little doggy on the beach. Ollie, our salad's arrived. Nice. I ordered some meat in the end, but no, because their fish sizes were quite large and it's really for two to share or something like that. So maybe tomorrow evening I can convince you.
Nice and solid. There's more vegetables than you get in a lifetime in Seoul.
I really needed this. It was just a dose of good veggies. Cucumber and onion are so healthy for you. And the dressing that they've given us is some kind of vinaigrette with, I think, pepper added. It's very simple, but it works really well. Possibly some kind of olive oil or something like that. You don't like the onion so much, Ollie?
I mean, it's alright.
I have a pork chop with no knife, so I think I'm just gonna hold it with my hands. Barbecued pork chop, really tasty, and this sauce. It's sweet, not too sweet. It could have some tomato in it, but I'm not 100% sure. It's really, really nice. Really nice. Cooked perfectly. Look at this beachfront right in front of us.
Be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. It should have been you.